హాయ్ వివర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ for watching. In earlier class, we learned about the definition of set and A union B, B union C diagrams also. In this, we have to solve this problem. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, C equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, and D equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. First problem is A union B. Here A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Then A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. In this also 3, 4. But we have to write in only ones. And 5, 6. And second one, B union C. B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union C set is 5, 6, 7, 8. Then B union C is also, first we have to write B set. 3, 4, 5, 6. In C set also 5, 6 are there. But we have to write only once. Then remaining terms is 7, 8. And third one, A union C. A set 1, 2, 3, 4. Union C set 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this set there is no repetition of elements. Then we have to write four whole elements. Then fourth one, B union D. B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union D set is 7, 8, 9, 10. In this also there is no repetition of elements. Then we have to write four elements: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And fifth one, A union B union C. A set 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B set 3, 4, 5, 6. C set 5, 6, 7, 8. Equal to, first we have to write A set elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Next B set. In this 3, 4 are repeat. Then the remaining terms are 5, 6. In this also 5, 6 is repeat. Then the remaining terms is 7, 8. A union B union C. Sixth one, A union B union D. A set 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B set 3, 4, 5, 6. Union D set 7, 8, 9, 10. Then A union B union D equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. In this set repetition are allowed. There is no repetition. Then we get 5, 6. In this also 7, 8, 9, 10. Seventh one, B union C union D. Then B set 3, 4, 5, 6. Union C set 5, 6, 7, 8. Union D set 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we get B union C union D equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please note down the problem.